Hi everyone, welcome to the today's lecture. In previous lecture, in solutions, we have studied some basic introduction about solutions and how the concentration of a solution can be expressed by using different terms. And those terms that we have studied in previous class are mass by percentage, volume percentage, parts per million, mass by volume percentage, and mole fraction. Now, today we will discuss about some more concentration terms which are more often used to express the concentration of the solutions. And those are molarity and molality. Molarity, it is denoted by M, capital M, and molality is denoted by small m. Now, let us study the molarity and molality. So, first on molarity. Molarity, it is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That is simply equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. So here it simply indicates if we consider 1 liter of solution, how many number of moles of solute are dissolved in that 1 liter of solution. For example, if I consider the solution having the molarity 2m, that means 2 moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Or if I say 1 mole of any solution, then it means 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So the unit of molarity is moles per liter, because as we know the formula number of moles of solute, that is moles, upon volume of solution, that is expressed in liters. So unit of molarity is moles per liter. One is molality. It is denoted by small m. It is defined as the number of moles of solute per kilogram of the solvent and is calculated by moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. The unit of molality is moles per kg. So this is how we define molarity as well as molality. Then what is the difference between the molarity and molality? If you see the definition of molarity, there we say the solute is dissolved in the given volume of the solution, and in molality the solute is dissolved in given mass of pure solvent. So in the formula also you can see here volume of solution in case of molarity, and in case of molality we have taken mass of solvent in kg. So this shows that since volume is dependent on temperature, molarity is also dependent on temperature. Means as volume or temperature varies, molarity of the solution will also varies. But in case of molality, since we have taken the particular mass of solvent and hence whatever temperature it may be, the molality of the solution will remain constant. So molality is independent of temperature because mass is independent of temperature. So this is one of the main difference between molarity and molality. Now let us consider an example. If I want to prepare 1 molar solution of calcium chloride, then we have to take 1 liter of solution. We have to prepare 1 liter of solution. To prepare 1 liter of calcium chloride solution having the concentration 1 molar, then we have to dissolve 1 mole of calcium chloride in 1 liter of solution. So, in order to prepare 1 molar, we have to take 1 mole of calcium chloride. And we know that 1 mole of calcium chloride is equal to its molecular mass, that is 111. So, 111 gram of solute is diluted so that the volume of the solution becomes 1 liter using water. If we want to prepare 1 molar calcium chloride solution, then again we have to dissolve 1 mole of calcium chloride in 1 kg of water. So, 1 mole of calcium chloride, again it is equal to 111 gram. So, 111 gram of calcium chloride is dissolved in 1 kg of water. And hence we get the solution of calcium chloride having the concentration 1 molar. This is how we can able to prepare the solution having the concentrations, different concentration. It may be in the form of molarity or molality by using the formula. So, I hope you clear about this molarity and molality concept. If any doubts are there, then write in the comment section. Thank you.